Hello everyone, my name is Jade Grant. Today I'm going to be showing you my slideshow about counseling psychology. As you can see, I had a lot of fun with my transitions. Here are some photos of me and my family. On the left, I am on the far right in the picture. And then obviously that's a picture of me. I'm from New Jersey. Lots of greenery and trees and a whole lot of fun. Here are some of the reasons why I have wanted to go into counseling psychology. The first reason is because I've always envisioned myself being in a career where I'm able to give back and help other people. I love being able to see people overcome problems in their life, and I feel like nowadays we have a lot of issues with psychological disorders and mental health issues, and if I can help people to learn how to overcome those, I feel like I would feel very fulfilled in life. I love that counseling psychology is a very versatile field. I am not the kind of person who likes to just do one thing and be good at that. I like to do a lot of different things, and it helps me feel alive. So having the opportunity to move and grow within the field of counseling psychology is something that I really like. All of my friends and family have always turned for me for advice, and they've always said that I'm a good listener, so hopefully that is true, and I'll be able to see that in my career. Counseling psychologists help people with physical, emotional, mental health issues improve their sense of well-being, alleviate feelings of distress, resolve crises. They also provide assessment, diagnosis, and treatment of more severe psychological symptoms. They address issues like marital issues, learning problems, stress management, dealing with physical disabilities, learning to adjust in different personal and social situations, and being able to identify your own identity. The education for a counseling psychologist is, well, first you have to maintain your bachelor's degree, which is what I'm doing right now, and that is 4 years, as I'm sure you all know. And after that, you can do a master's program, which takes 3 years. Normally, it's the first 2 years are your learning, and then the third year is you are working. It's part of your learning built in. They also have master's and PhD programs that are mixed together, and so those programs are 5 years long. But you can do your master's first if you'd like, and then move on to do a PhD later on. PhD is not needed to be able to find a job in counseling psychology, but it can be helpful if you're trying to go into academia or write books or just want to further your education. My 4-year plan includes receiving my bachelor's degree, and I should be able to graduate in the next 2 years, and then beginning my master's degree. In these 4 years, I'll be interning and gaining experience in the counseling psychology field. I love versatility of counseling psychology, as I said earlier. With a master's degree, you can become a school counselor, clinical social worker, organizational counselor, health psychologist, and the other ones that I have listed there. And with a PhD, you can work in colleges and do more research-based things. You can become a clinical supervisor and work in a hospital, or an author of textbooks and things. In chapter 13, it talks about 13 reasons. It talks about reasons why people major in psychology. And on the right, I have listed some of the reasons that I decided to major in psychology, and that is because, as I said earlier, I want to help people, and I really do find psychology very interesting. Um, I think learning about the brain and how people think is very important, and it can help change the way people live their lives. Thanks for listening.